Hello guys, today I have a BLU BREEZE personal air conditioner. Alright, reason I brought this is because this thing can run on USB and for AA batteries. Yep, standard alkaline AA batteries. So I was like, this would be perfect for power outages because we have almost an infinite supply of AA batteries, and those things have a 10-year shelf life, so it would be good for emergencies and stuff. So I went ahead and brought it, and it comes with two, which is nice. So if one explodes, I can use the other one. All right. So and you'll die. Okay. So why didn't you just get a regular old fan? Because in the summer it gets really hot. So I decided, imagine if I had like an emergency cooling, something that can do some cold cooling. So this thing can cool, and it also works on alkaline batteries. So very, very nice for power outages. The BLU BREEZE is pretty much going to exclusively be used for power outages. So it's not going to be used normally. It's going to be exclusively used for power outages and emergencies only. So yeah, I'm not going to put any water in it because that'll already get the filter used. I'm just going to test both of the models that came in here. And yeah, I don't think they make this exact unit anymore. I think I've seen a couple of those things on like China sites or something. I saw a couple of those at Walmart, but I don't think BLU BREEZE has the brand name in them anymore. It has a timer, but I just wanted something that will run on batteries and cool the air a little bit. So yep, it's pretty much a summer only emergency / power outage only fan. So yeah, it's like the last resort. So, and it has a mechanical on and off switch, so that'll be very good. Let's go ahead and unbox it. And there goes all the batteries. Yeah, I already have enough of these portable evap coolers that I don't even need to use this on a day-to-day basis, just power outage only. Let's go. What is this? I don't know. It's like this little air this air pack is already popped. So there you go. I'm not sure what is in here. I don't know why it's in an envelope. I'm gonna open this off the camera. Oh. It's just 2 wall bricks. So these may be used on a day-to-day basis though, because it just got 2 wall chargers. Here's both of the units. Very simple design. The fan in there is easily replaceable, and I can probably jerry-rig this little pad too. There. I think I may have opened this upside down. I don't know. So there's unit 1, and in there it's just a standard computer fan. You see it? That's just a standard. I think that's a 44mm computer fan. So if that fan were to break, I can easily screw in a new fan. It's like a hot swap. You literally take those 2 screws off, you slide that fan out, then you slide a new fan in. This is that easy. I can probably recycle the wires too. I'll just cut the wires off, and then I'll just I'll solder them or twist them back on. So this thing is pretty much 100% replaceable. Tragically, we do have digital controls, which is honestly surprising, but I can easily bypass that since this is only 5 volts and 1 amp, and it has a mechanical on and off switch. So if the digital controls break, I'll just bypass them. This is made out of stinking plastic, so that sucks. But like I said, this is going to be used sparingly, so it won't have time to like slowly break down. ABS plastic, alright. And here's the battery door. Alright, I'll open that later, but yeah, you get the deal. Alright, let's get the other one out. Alright, here's the other one. And there you go. And we have another broken air bag. I don't know why it's broken. You don't need that. And we have another power cable. And in here is the owner's manual and other stuff which we won't be needing today. What is this? Arbitration agreement. Huh? Purchasing a TriStar product, you agree to dispute any concern us shall be resolved binding individual. Huh? I hope this isn't forced arbitration. And I didn't even see it on the outside of the box. Is this forced arbitration? I don't know. I have no idea what this is. I've literally never seen something like this before. TriStar, what the heck? Oh wow. Okay, well I've never seen that before. Hopefully it's not something too important. And I don't want to lose any of this stuff because like I said, this is power outages, and when there's a power outage I won't have access to Wi-Fi, so it'll be important to have the manual. Alright. So we're gonna go ahead and try out this unit first. Oof. Alright. ABS plastic. I think the entire thing is made out of ABS. I'm not sure how durable that plastic is, but polypropylene would have been ideal. Alright, we're doing the battery only pretty much because this is it's almost its only purpose to exist. It's just to be used as a power outage fan. And I didn't, in the rechargeable one, those rechargeable ones only last around 5 years before the battery breaks and you can't replace them, so. This one's some good old alkaline. Alright. Just power it up. Oh, I didn't turn on the master switch. Alright, let's power it up. I'm gonna turn off the heater. Sounds a little rough. There you go. So I just won't use it on low because it's using some of the worst pulse width modulation I've ever heard in my life. So yeah. So that says high and then 0 minutes. So I guess I can set a timer. Yeah, it's a 12-hour timer. Oh yeah, that is awful pulse width modulation. On high it sounds fine. It may need to warm up. Not moving too much air. Let's turn it back on high. Unfortunately, I cannot turn off the heater because it's running for the whole house. So it's not moving too much air, but in the summer this could honestly be a lifesaver. Alright, so that seems to be perfectly functional. Interesting. There's no off button. This is the main switch, so you just shut it off that way. Alright, well, this does function, so that's a nice start. Move that to the side. Now let's test this one. Wonder if this one will have a different sound. Got more Duracell batteries. I'm gonna put the Duracell batteries in the bag and put it inside that box too, so it's isolated. Oops. Wasn't quite ready for that. All right, let's test this one out. Well, it might do better on the AC, I mean on the DC outlet. Switching adapter, this is just a basic adapter. These would probably work fine, but that's probably not going to be tested until we do the spring fan test. Yep, so these things will pretty much be used in high because I don't like that low sound. Yeah, the air moves nice, really slow, I guess. This thing will definitely be a lifesaver in the summer power outage times. Yep, that works. Alright, they both seem to be the same speed. Yep. I can hear them canceling each other out. The low sound is just bad pulse width modulation. They should have just put, I don't know how the circuit's working here, but yeah, I can tell that's definitely some voltage regulator. On high it sounds okay. Alright, well, they both seem to function. That's very nice. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and get it inside the box and get it ready for power outages. So, there we have a stupid piece of polystyrene on the inside, which I'm very tempted to remove, but that's just going to cause for me to drop it, it would just blow up. So, yep. Let's go ahead and take the batteries right back out of it, because it would be a waste to keep it in and have the batteries explode on the inside, especially with these Duracell batteries. So we'll be putting that in a sealed envelope inside of the box too. Just a short test, and we will be doing a spring fan test in around 5 months, I think, because it's not nowhere near spring yet. But yeah, these things will be tested again doing the spring fan test. Alright. So, let's put this away. And let's go ahead and get the power outage batteries we need. So I got 4 batteries there. 4 batteries there. So let's go get the bags and put the batteries in and get this all sorted out. Alright, unfortunately I could not find a place to put the batteries, so we're just gonna have to put them back inside the box, and then we'll just have to find the batteries once we need it. So go ahead and do that. These really need to be upside down. Wow, that's really interesting. These didn't fall off this time. There we go. And there we go. So we now officially have some working power outage fans. All right, thanks for watching. See you guys in the next one.